Good morning, everyone. Dogs are running around, being crazy. I'm gonna head out and take care of the animals. Go see if Turk's where he's supposed to be, let my ducks out, and we gotta get the cows some water. So that's what's on the schedule for now. Let's go see if we can find Turk. I can hear the ducks yelling. Hey everyone. Well, looks like everybody's inside. There's Turk. There's our big turkey. They're kind of getting their weeds knocked down. We used to have cows in this pen. And then we just kind of let it grow up, and now I've been putting extra roosters and the 2 turkeys and any extra male ducks have also gone in here. And we'll go let Blue out so she stops barking at me. Hi, Blue. We'll go running with Curry and Laurie. There's my bantams and my young hens. So, all right. Let's go head over. Nope, they're being crazy. Look out, guys. There's Laurie. Let's go set my ducks free for today. Hear them yelling to me. They're ready to come out. Let me set this here and record them as they come running out. Everybody's out. So now we have to head over to my cows. Cows will need water. I'll probably check in on my chickens on the way past too. It's been raining a lot here, and the weeds are horrible everywhere. There's weeds growing up like crazy, so maybe we'll get caught up on that someday. Oh, here they are. Good morning, chickens. They're all hanging out here. I have not been letting them out. I lost a few and I have not seen the culprit, but I'm guessing fox. Pretty much every year once we get the corn tall enough, which we have the cornfield. We're right back behind me over here. We have 2 cornfields. So once that corn is tall enough, there's almost always a fox den in there, and they are very sneaky, and I've already lost a couple, so I'm not letting them free range for right now. So now we got to go over to the cows and get their water filled up for them. The dogs are still tearing around in the background. Hi, guys. So, here is their water hose. Gonna take it, throw it in there. And they are muddy too, which we know. It's horrible. We've had so much rain. Hi, Bully. So now I gotta head back over here into the barn, turn our hose on. Then I get to stand there and watch, because one of them or all of them like to play with the hose. And if you don't stand there and watch, they will knock the hose out of the water bin. And then it just floods it in there, which we don't need. Come on, Curry. It's already wet enough in there as it is, so. Head back over here. Oh, there's Laurie. The chill one, just hanging out in the shade. Come on, Curry. And I don't know where Blue is. She's probably tearing in circles somewhere, so. I'm gonna come over here. So far, so good. No one has decided to pull the hose out yet, so I'm gonna go for a little walk. Check down here, make sure their hay is pushed up good, and make sure their water is working and all that. Yeah, you guys got enough hay? Looks like they're good. Just gonna hang out there and stare at us. Hello. Looks like we got a couple others over here hanging out. There they are. And again with the weeds. Like my kids were just out here and weed whacked not long ago. And we sprayed for some weeds, but like I said, we've just had so much rain. Your guys' water good? Yeah. Yeah, all good. Oh, hi, Laurie. Where's the other one? Oh, there's Curry. That's pretty much it for the morning check today. I'm just going to go back over and hang out by that water till it's full to make sure they don't pull the hose out. And to make sure I don't just wander away and forget, because that has happened. So I hope everyone has a wonderful Sunday.